Okay, so we are just gonna get started here because I don't want you guys to see the final product yet. But I basically had my hair in these 4 braids. All I had in my hair was just leave-in conditioner from when I washed it the other day. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start taking the braids out. As you guys can see, I already did 1/2 of my hair just to get a feel for what I was gonna do. I did 8 flexi rods on each side of my head. So in the braid that I'm taking out right now, this became 3 flexi rod sets, and then in the next braid, it was 5. For this flexi rod set, I am using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Mousse. I really like this line. I haven't used the entire thing in a long time, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and stock up on the products and like do a full review for you guys. But anyways, as you can see, I did not put a ton of product because I don't want my hair to be soaked. 1, it's gonna take forever to dry, and 2, I feel like that would not give me the look that I was going for. And I really wanted like full fluffy curls, not like the crisp and defined curls that I usually go for. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing. Work the product through, and then I'm starting from the bottom and just wrapping my ends. Like, I am in dire need of a haircut. My ends are just completely out of line because I've been using rubber bands a lot. So I really wanted to make sure that I put the ends on the flexi rod sets first, just to make sure that they were as flat as possible. I would say that I should have added more product to the ends to make sure that they lay flat, but that's a different story. I'm basically going ahead and rolling it from the bottom to the top, and I don't mind if it's like a little loose or just out of place because I know that I wanted a fluffy look in general. So I'm just gonna do that until I'm all done with the section. And this is what you should be left with. Of course, it was quick because I didn't do a ton. And this is about 2 or 3 hours later. I really did not have them on for a long time, but my hair is 100% dry. And as you guys can see, the curls are like in place and just looking super cute. Now, if you do want more definition, you can add more flexi rods than I did, and that'll just make sure that the curl is in place. So now I'm using my Cream of Nature oil, and I'm just putting that through all of my hair because when I start to unravel the twist, I don't want it to frizz up too much. I knew that it was gonna frizz up just because these curls are not like tiny and defined and super curly. So obviously when I unraveled them, some of the curl pattern was going to go away, but that was completely fine because I feel like that was going to give me more volume anyways. So I really just want to make sure that the curls that you see are the ones that keep some of that definition. And you can see that I'm going back in and like retwisting them with my hand after I separate. So once I unravel to my liking, I do want to go ahead and pin my hair back, just because you guys know I hate my hair in my face. So anything I can do to get my hair out of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this is the final product, y'all. What do you think? I personally love it. I feel like it's bouncy, it's fluffy. Obviously, it's not the look that I usually do when I do a flexi rod set. Like, usually the curls are much smaller and they're like super defined, but I personally love this fluffy look. It reminds me of when I used to do roller sets, and this is like how I would want my hair to look after I took the rollers out, but it never actually looked this way. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. How do you think it turned out? Do you agree with me? Is it super cute, or do you feel like, girl, no, you need to try it again? Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.